Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Ford Taurus and I will show you which fuse to check in case your fog lights are not working. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Okay, now the fog lights fuse is located in a small fuse box just under the steering wheel. Now it's a bit difficult to access it. Actually, you will have to squeeze yourself under the steering wheel. Okay, I'll try to squeeze my phone inside. So this right here is the fuse box. I hope you can see it. Now to remove it, you'll have two clips, one here on this side and one on the other side. So I'm gonna press both of these and wiggle that cover off. Okay. On top of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and on the back this white piece, this is your fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Now the fuse you want to check for the fog lights, it's fuse number 47, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located down here at the bottom right corner. I hope you can see it. My phone is blurring for some reason, but it's right here. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.